Alright guys, welcome back to Frugal Homestead. So today I've got to admit my age because this whole video was brought about by listening to my kids yell at me and ask if the TV is loud enough. Listening to my wife telling me to turn things down when I'm listening to the TV at night when we're in bed. So for those of you who don't know, I've spent most of my life making a living off my body. So that's construction, working in machinery plants, firewood, chainsaw, timber, all the physical practices, running equipment of some kind. And to be honest, my hearing is trashed. All right. So it's sad to say that in my older age, I'm going to get more serious about protecting my hearing. That said, I've also realized we're in an age where I don't have to just put, the muffs on and get lost in my own mind. I can do other things. I can multitask. I can listen to music. I can listen to podcasts. The technology's out there. At the same time, I've started to notice that my wife's hearing's not as good, or maybe she's just ignoring me. It's hard to tell which it is, but obviously it's one of the two. So I went on a search for a reasonably priced set of ear protection that's sound canceling, that will deaden the background noise, but also we can use to listen to things. I don't want to just deaden the sound. I want to put some other sound back in to make it more enjoyable to use them, which will drive us to use them more often. Now, while looking around trying to figure out what I wanted to go with, I found out about Prohear. So Prohear actually is demoing these products to us to try. I'm allowed to say whatever I want, but they were nice enough to let us try their product. Now this is the dual pack. That means there's two inside here. So one money, two sets. I'm going to do an unboxing with you. I'm going to show you real world how we're using them. We'll go through all that at the end of the video, so make sure you stay to the end. And if you're interested in looking at these more, I will leave links down below in the description box as well as pinned in the first comment. Alright guys, so let's get into the unboxing here. Prohear, protecting your hearing, and as you can see, this is the dual pack. So we've got two units in here. They're both exactly the same. Now there's a color chart here. You can get them in all different colors. There's your brand and your information. So, Bluetooth hearing protector. So we can receive calls, stream music, anything from a mobile phone, tablet, or other device, stereo sound, hands-free tuning dial. So everything can go through Bluetooth. Pretty simple. LED indicator, simple function buttons, snap-in ear cushions. That way you can replace them. That's a big deal. A lot of these do not have replaceable ear cushions. I looked that up. That was one of the reasons why me and Prohear are working together. Has an auxiliary jack as well as USB charging interface. And it's got a padded headband. That's another one. A lot of them have solid plastic headbands and they are not comfortable. So, let's open it up. Nice. So you get the unit in a vinyl bag. You got your cords. It's nice that it comes with the actual earphone jack, so if you got something older like an MP3 player or something, you can hook it up to that. It's got your charger. Pretty simple. USB-C. The instruction booklet. That's all for that. Now for the actual unit. That bag is heavy duty, guys. It is labeled Prohear. Wow. Really nice. They weren't kidding about the padded top. And they extend in the actual end, not up here. So, hardwire extension. Those are huge muffs. They're not playing around. So there's your controllers. So let's get these things charged up and let's go put them through their paces through some of the loudest, dirtiest equipment we can find. So guys, let's talk real world use case, because that's what matters. Now, when you're dealing with these, you got to be careful, because some of these budget brands, they don't actually noise cancel, which means the sound is still bleeding through. Now, I think we have to talk about, if you've watched our channel before, the firewood side of it. Because probably the most time I spend close to loud equipment that's really loud is based on the firewood side. Now, I have not integrated these over my helmet yet and face mask, so I've got to pull my old ones off, so I don't have any footage of that. I don't want to put footage on YouTube of me wearing these and just safety glasses to cut anymore, because people freak out. But I did use them in that, and actually these things dull out and drone out the sound so nice. Plus you can actually still hear the music if you have music on. Now, the splitter is where I spend most of my time and where my wife spends most of our time. And honestly, I think that's where we lost most of our hearing. It's just unavoidable because we do firewood. And we do it for hours and hours as we go to fill the kiln or whatever. Our firewood kiln will be at that splitter for like 4 hours straight filling it. So it's not unreasonable to want to protect our ears in that situation. That's really where the 2-pack comes in, because it's better value, but also you're protecting my wife's ears and mine, and we get to enjoy whatever music we each want to listen to. So as the splitter's running and we've got these on, you can clearly see that we can't hear a thing coming out of that splitter. We're jamming out, working away. It's really easy to get lost in the sound quality of these things compared to some of the cheaper ones that almost don't go loud enough. You can't turn these all the way up and go run around with them because you'll blow your eardrums out. And also, there's something to be said about the depth inside, because my wife says her ears basically fit inside of them almost. So it's not as painful on your ears, I guess, if that makes sense, because they're not laying like right on top of them. And they don't sweat as bad either because of that cupped feature. But it also seems to protect and close out sound better. Now, the next place that we get a lot of hearing loss, honestly, is mowing. Now, it's not as bad when I'm push mowing until I get close to a wall on my house or something, because they have metal siding on them. So the sound actually refracts off that and you don't even realize it. So when I'm pushing the mower down the side of the wall and the muffler's pointed towards the wall, it will actually reflect the sound at your ear and you won't even realize it. It just sounds the same, but it's actually doing hearing damage. They actually have decibel tags of how many 100 decibels or whatever on things like mowers and chainsaws now. Even my cheap Chinese saws that I get from overseas come in, and on the case it has the decibel level on it. So that's how serious it's getting. People are starting to realize that sound can be a problem. Now, push mowing, like I said, is not that bad, but it's way more enjoyable to just put some music on and just start pushing and not have to listen to the mower constantly. Now, where these really shine, my wife absolutely loves this. She put hers on, and she gets on the riding lawnmower and just takes off. She doesn't even think about it. She says it makes it so much more fun just to ride around and mow the grass, because being on the riding lawnmower is kind of boring sometimes, especially when it's super hot and you're just sitting there sweating. It's not really that fun. And I mean, in the fall, you're chopping up leaves at the same time, so you kind of have something to look at. But it's also very loud, and she's really looking forward to the mowing this fall with her Prohear earmuffs on. Now, I will say that trying to get somebody's attention on a riding lawnmower with these on is hard. I would just be the first to tell you that. But it's even more hard to get their attention when they're weed eating. So around here, my wife absolutely loves to weed eat. And I don't know why that is. I haven't asked, but she really enjoys doing the weed eating. She'd rather not be doing any push mowing. I don't know why that is, but I let her do it. And on top of that, I went out and bought her a still weed eater, a really good one, straight shaft, about like 4 or 5 years ago, and she's still running it. She loves the thing. She goes out and she'll come in just covered in grass and just be happy as can be. I don't know why she likes it so much. She just does. I don't complain. But as her husband, I know that also she's very short, so that motor is a lot closer to her ears than you think. Her putting those on, she just disappears now. I mean, she'll just go out there and tear it up. She's jamming out to her music on there. Or sometimes, like me, she'll turn on a podcast and just zone out to it, and she's got the weed eating done in no time. She's very happy with it, and really, I can't see a reason not to enjoy these, to be honest with you. I don't think there's as much value in the single one as the double pack, because if you're married or if your kids help you or anything else, I think the double pack is definitely the way to go. Now, when you are using these, there is one thing I will say. You need to be considerate of looking around and paying attention around you, paying attention to what's going on around you, because other people may be trying to signal to you and be, give you hand signals. So you really have to, because they are seriously noise canceling. Now, there's been some things we've done with them that I have not been able to film, like doing the chainsaw work. But some other ones that we found these extremely useful for is I pulled my pair on, and then my wife ran to the house and got hers, because I was cutting roofing metal for the shed we're building out here. And if you've ever done that with a saw, that is ungodly noisy. Now, it's not that bad with the nibblers, but when you're actually using a saw and cutting it, it screeches and makes some awful noises. And to have these on and not have to hear that has been amazing. Now, another one I did not get any footage of, and there's a good reason for this, because gyms freak out when you film anymore. So my wife grabbed him out of the car when we were walking in the gym. We get a free membership to Planet Fitness with our health insurance. So we go and we'll go use the massage chairs and the massage bed, and then usually we'll get on the treadmills for a while, maybe a little bit of chest or arm workout. Nothing crazy. But when you're on that treadmill for a long period of time, it can get boring. She comes in and she's got these big old Prohear headphones on. She's like, I don't care. They sound good. She turns her tablet on and just off she goes walking. She's got Game of Thrones going on her tablet in front of her. And I'm looking over at her like, what are you doing? And she just sits there and watches an entire episode of Game of Thrones on her tablet with her big old Prohear headphones on. Says the sound's awesome. I can't argue with her. I agree. And she just has a good time with it. So now I've been grabbing mine when I go on walks down over the hill. And I just go. And I'll have a podcast on. And I'll go get my steps while wearing them. I don't care that they're big and bulky. They're comfortable. They don't bother me even when it's hot. So it's worthwhile wearing them. Now, on the financial side, I've done the research. And honestly, there's not a lot of brands with this kind of quality at this price point. I feel like we are at the best of a low-cost brand here. It's one of those moments when you realize, okay, if I go any higher in cost, I'm not going to be getting that much better of a product, honestly. Now, while I endorse Prohear, and I'm going to use mine, and you will be seeing them in the videos all the time, because I really am working on trying to save what's left of my hearing, because you don't get it back, guys. It's like your eyes starting to go bad. It just gets worse. So now I'm trying to protect my eyes. I'm trying to protect my ears. As I get older, I want longevity, and this is one way I'm going to do it. I want you guys to think about this. Even if you don't want to look at this product, which you can go to the first comment pinned down below or the description box to learn more about these. I want you guys to seriously think about protecting your hearing. I think it's very important in this day and age. I think that they are coming out with new technology, but does anyone really want to have crap stuck in their ears to be able to hear? It's going to happen to all of us sooner or later, but let's go ahead and put that off for as far as possible. We're all going to need like glasses 24/7 in the future. Some of you may have them now. And you know, every step gets worse. So let's try and limit that. And I think a reasonably priced product gotten like this can really slow the decay of our hearing. And the 2-pack, make it a Christmas present. Make it an Easter gift. Come up with a reason. For the anniversary, give yourselves the gift of being able to hear each other. Now, some of you that are married may not want to hear the other person. I get it. But still, if your partner doesn't understand, have them watch this video. Have them realize that what you're saying is, I want to keep you in the best shape possible for a little bit longer. Now, that said, I can't find anything really bad to say about the product. They do not pivot like a lot of other brands, but that has been the breaking point in all the reviews that I have read. These are built a little more heavy duty, a little more structural. So I feel like that is the benefit you get out of giving up the, twisting motion that some of the cheaper brands have. Now, if you guys like this video, go ahead and take the time to go down, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell if you haven't already. Make sure you come see all of our videos. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. If you're using a different brand or you've tried a different brand that's failed you, let's say, or you're not happy with, please let me know down in the comments. Share with the community. Let's share some information. I know there is better, more expensive ones on the market. Feel free to share those. If you've had bad experiences, feel free to share those. And I will see you guys in the next one.